Have you ever wondered if your mirror is hiding secrets from you? Today, we're uncovering 15 astonishing facts about mirrors that will change the way you see your reflection. Fact 1. Mirrors can lie. Did you know that mirrors can distort your perception? Factors like lighting, angle, and even the mirror's quality can affect how you see yourself, sometimes leading to a skewed self-image. Fact 2. Ancient origins. The first mirrors used by humans were likely pools of still water or polished stones like obsidian. Archaeologists have found obsidian mirrors in Turkey dating back to around 6000 BCE. Fact 3. The mirror test. Only a few animal species can recognize themselves in a mirror, a sign of self-awareness. These include great apes, dolphins, elephants, and surprisingly, European magpies. Fact 4. Superstitions and bad luck. Breaking a mirror is traditionally said to bring 7 years of bad luck. This superstition dates back to ancient times, reflecting the belief that mirrors hold a piece of one's soul. Fact 5. Mirrors in architecture. Mirrors have been used to enhance spaces for centuries. In fact, the Hall of Mirrors in the Palace of Versailles is one of the most famous examples, amplifying light and grandeur. Fact 6. Mirrors and light speed. Mirrors play a crucial role in scientific experiments, including those measuring the speed of light. By reflecting light over long distances, scientists can calculate its velocity with precision. Fact 7. The dark side of mirrors. Throughout history, mirrors have been associated with dark rituals and superstitions. Some cultures believed mirrors could trap souls or serve as portals to other realms. Fact 8. Mirrors in technology. Beyond reflection, mirrors are essential in technology used in devices like lasers, telescopes, and even solar panels to direct and focus light. Fact 9. Psychological effects. Spending too much time in front of mirrors can impact mental health, contributing to issues like body dysmorphia. Some schools have even removed mirrors to promote well-being. Fact 10. Mirrors in art. Artists have long used mirrors to explore themes of identity and perception. From classic paintings to modern installations, mirrors challenge viewers to see differently. Fact 11. One-way mirrors. One-way mirrors, also known as two-way mirrors, allow viewing from one side while appearing as a regular mirror on the other. They're commonly used in interrogation rooms and security settings. Fact 12. Mirrors in space. Mirrors are vital in space exploration, particularly in telescopes like the Hubble, which uses a 2.4-meter mirror to capture images of distant galaxies.
Fact 13. Cultural symbolism. In many cultures, mirrors symbolize truth and self-reflection. However, in some traditions, they're covered after a death to prevent souls from getting trapped. Fact 14. Smart mirrors. Modern technology has given rise to smart mirrors, interactive devices that display information like weather, news, and even health metrics while you get ready. Fact 15. Mirrors and virtual reality. In virtual reality, mirrors are used to create more immersive experiences, allowing users to see their avatars reflect movements in real time. Mirrors are more than just tools for reflection. They're windows into history, technology, and even our own psyche. Next time you glance at your reflection, remember the fascinating secrets lurking behind the glass.